first of all, can you introduce yourself? Like,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Renuka Kori. I am from Sholapur. I have total 1+ year of experience in manual testing, where I have got the opportunity to work in different domain like investment banking, internet banking. Also, I have used SQL in my project, where my roles and responsibilities come identifying the business requirement analysis, test case design, test case execution, and client interaction, identifying the report and getting it fixed up from developer. Also, I have performed various types of testing like sanity testing, functional testing, regression testing, risk testing, smoke testing, and also I have involved documentation like daily standard report, weekly standard report, and summary report. It is all about me in short, sir.
okay, okay. So, can you explain me what are the different types of reviews you have undertake, or like what are the different types of reviews are present?
Yes, sir. Yes, there are four types of review. First is self review, peer review, internal review, and external review, sir. In first self review, it is involved in tester. It is tester is analysis by own the which test cases they will write the tester. They will analyze it is right or wrong, sir. And second one is peer review, sir. Peer review means it is involved in team leader, sir. They will analysis what a test engineer will write the test cases. They will write or wrong, sir. After that,
Okay,
external internal review they will involve in scrum master. They will analysis by whatever test cases you passes the test engineer. They will match your expected functional or not. And after that, external review that is involved in project manager. They will analysis are also involved in clients work.
okay. So, as you have told, in external review, we are presenting to client. Okay. So, can you
Yeah,
tell
yes.
me in external review how many different types of members are present in the external review?
Uh, Actually, Scrum Master is present, Project Owner is present, sir. Also, tester, team leader, and also if you test engineer also is present, sir.
Okay. And what about developers and all?
Yes, developer also is present, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So basically,
Yeah,
basically
yeah, yeah.
in external review, the whole team is present. Okay,
Yeah,
right.
sir.
So can you tell me in agile methodology what BA is called as?
Business BA is called as uh, product owner, sir. Actually,
Okay,
I
and
got remember, sir.
yeah,
Product owner is called, sir.
okay, okay, okay. And what client is called as in agile methodology? What client is called as basically?
Client, sir. Actually, I haven't got get remember. Client is called as means product owner, and BA is called as stakeholder. It is a stakeholder. It will not get confirmed, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. No, no, no issues, no issues. Okay. So can you tell me like hello, is my voice is
Yes.
audible, Renuka?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Okay.
Sorry.
So, okay. So, can you explain what is waterfall module?
Yeah, sir. Waterfall model is it is used to in short term projects, sir. It is waterfall model as compared to agile model, sir. Means waterfall model. If once you get a requirement from the client, you will develop the all the test cases and application. It come back. It is hard to the come back to the if any requirement it changes, sir.
Okay.
It is main used in short term projects, sir. Waterfall model.
Okay. Okay. So, in short words, if we tell about the waterfall module, basically it is
Yes,
an
sir.
the sequential type of process which in which we are following. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
secondly, in waterfall module is nothing but its deployment time period is of the we can say around 3 months, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
it is basically it is one of the time consuming process what we can say. You can also add this point to your answer, right?
Yes,
And
sir. Yes.
basically what is one of the main thing in waterfall module, if we move towards the next step, right, we
Yeah, yeah.
can't we can't
Come back.
come back, or we can't go backward in backward direction in terms of what we can say the process. So that is nothing but it's called as an waterfall module. Okay, so
Yes,
can you tell me what is shift left testing?
shift
Shift left
please.
testing. Shift left testing. What is shift left testing?
Sir, I cannot hear, sir. Please
Okay,
testing, sir.
okay. So basically, in the shift left testing, like the SDLC, right? In
Yeah.
SDLC, testing is present at the bottom of the pyramid. We
Yeah, yeah,
have information gathering, analysis, design, coding, and testing, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
shift left testing is nothing but shifting the testing before the coding. Once when the developer is doing the unit testing, within
yeah,
that unit testing only tester will get involved within the call. Okay,
yeah,
basically.
yeah,
and
yeah,
and we usually used to do the testing over there. What is the main advantage of the shift left testing? What we can say, if there is some of the blocker is present, okay, we nail down that
yeah,
blocker here and there only, right? So that is nothing but and the shift left testing. This is also one of the important question, so you can remember
yeah,
about
yeah.
that. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so okay, so can you tell me what is V module?
Sir, actually, I will work in agile model, sir, but I will can't read sir view model, sir.
Okay, okay. So basically, V module is also nothing but what we can say is for the verification and validation process only. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
what we can say, in which the parallel development and the testing is been going on. Okay. So in which
yeah,
also the deployment time period is of the 3 months basically, right? So
yes,
this is a short info of about V module, what we can say. Okay. So
yes.
can you like tell me exact about what are the different types of agile scrum, or what we can say, what are the different types of agile subtypes? Means what are the different agile subtypes, like any idea?
It is a subtype. So, yeah, sir. There is means I will use the only Scrum. They will ceremony will use the sir, but they will types will not remember, sir.
Okay, so we have Kanban, Lean,
Ah,
or
yeah,
what
sir.
we can say.
I will remember. I will know, sir, but I will not remember. Sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So you have the different types such as and what we can say is and the Scrum, Kanban, Lean, uh,
Yes, sir.
Extreme XD, or we can say as FTD, Future Driven Development, right?
Yeah,
So
yes,
all these types of what we can say the agile subtypes we can say. Okay. So can
yes.
you tell me what is the exact duration of the current sprint in agile?
Current print is 2 weeks, sir.
2 weeks, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So so we can do one thing. So
Yes,
in
sir.
agile, which type of process which we are following basically? See, in waterfall model we are following sequential process, right? So in agile, which
Yes,
type
sir.
of process we are following?
Agile in it is follow. It is a incremental and an iterative model, sir. You will follow and means daily, sprint wise you will follow, sir.
No,
Will
sprint wise there is deployment is there, na, right?
yeah, yeah,
What
sir.
is my question? Please try to understand my question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
my question is like in agile module, okay,
Yeah.
which type of process we are following?
No, oh, no, sir. I know.
Okay, so basically we are following the value driven process. We are following the value driven process. What is value driven process? In which we are giving the high priority, top priority to our client,
Yeah,
basically,
yeah,
right? So
yeah.
that is nothing but this process we are following in the agile methodology. Okay, so try
Yes.
to remember this as well. So
Yeah.
secondly, can you tell me what is product backlog? What is
Sir,
product backlog?
product backlog. It is means uh, uh, if you sir, no, sir, can you explain you, sir? Actually, I will remember now.
Okay, I will tell. That's not an issue. What
Okay.
secondly, tell me what is sprint backlog?
It is comes under duration, sir.
It comes under
Duration, sir. How to get will perform the in a day week means sprint. How to releases this week, sir. Duration, sir.
sprint duration you are talking. See,
Yeah, sir.
basically the product backlog, what we can say is nothing but
Yes.
and the requirement of the module or the requirement of the whole project is nothing but is
Yes.
called as and the product backlog, right? And
Okay.
secondly, what is sprint backlog? We usually used to divide the product backlog into n number of small parts.
Yes,
We
sir.
usually used to divide that product backlog into a number of small part. Okay, that is nothing but is called as and the sprint backlog, what we can say. And
Yeah.
you are right, like you are saying like we usually used to deliver within the weeks. But
Yeah, yeah.
what is the main context you can say is like the sprint backlog is nothing but we usually used to divide product backlog into a number of small parts. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay, sir.
that is also one of the important thing what we can say.
Okay,
So
sir.
secondly, can you tell me the different types of functional testing?
Yeah, sir. It is a six top. It comes under functional testing, functional input behavioral testing, input domain testing, backend testing, service level testing, error handling testing, and also calculation level testing, sir.
Okay, so in basically in calculation based in calculation coverage testing, what you are exactly checking? Could you tell
For
me?
example, yeah, sir. For example, you will go to the some. It is buying some mobile or any other product in Amazon or Flipkart. That time you buy one phone, cell phone. That time you will all the process will done. Enter phone name, phone number, all this done. When click to the uh, add to the another product, sir. Another product, that time will addition will be that will the addition will get to the total, sir. Means you will display the addition, sir. That will call as in calculation level testing, sir.
Okay. So in simple words, you can tell in calculation-based coverage testing, we usually use to verify the arithmetic operations or arithmetic calculations in the
Yes.
calculation-based coverage testing. This is
Yes, sir.
sober and simple answer, right?
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
can you just tell me about agile terminologies? Like what is agile terminology?
Agile terminology.
Agile
Oh,
terminology.
sorry.
You can take your time. That's not an issue.
No, no, sir. I will not remember, sir.
Any idea like burn down chart, burn up chart? Are you remembering some of the point?
No, sir.
Okay. So basically in agile terminology, we have four different types. What we can say, we have burn down chart, burn up chart, epic, and the velocity. In burn down chart is nothing but how much work is remaining with respect to the time. That is nothing but is called as and the burn down chart. Then we have and the burn up chart, how much work is completed with respect to time. That is nothing but and the what we can say is and the burn up chart. Okay. Then we
Okay.
have epic and the velocity. Like epic is nothing but what we can say requirement of the main project. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and main module or we can say and velocity what we can say is the delivery or the deployment of the story with respect to particular time, means in current sprint how many stories we are delivering, right?
Okay, okay.
That is
Okay,
nothing
sir.
but is called as and the velocity for the same. You can also prepare for this. Okay,
Oh, okay,
so
sure, sir.
secondly, can you tell me basically what is sit environment like?
SIT environment is system integration testing, sir. It is comes under testing. Whenever build is assigned, a developer build is assigned to the testing team. That time tester will check the functionality. They will take the you will with tester sanity testing will perform. They will check the functionally means functionally stable or not. This comes under system integration testing, sir.
Okay, system integration testing. Okay,
Yes,
that's
sir.
right. So in simple word in SIT environment, you can say once the developer has developed their what we can say develop
Build.
their build, right? From
Yes.
then developer used to shift that build from dev environment to SIT environment. That is nothing but is called SIT environment for the same.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah, sure.
so can you tell me the non-functional testing types?
Non-functional testing types is comes under compatibility testing, security testing, and inter-system testing, installation testing, and globalization testing, sir.
Okay,
This is only no, sir.
okay. So basically, what is globalization testing? Can you tell?
Globalization testing, if you go to the any website, they will available to user to any language. If you click on Marathi, if you click on English, they will display the all types of language. You understand the customer, sir.
Okay, means we are testing that a single build is compatible with different n number of languages or not,
Language, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
so can you tell me what is unit testing like?
Unit testing, it is performed by developers, sir. It is
Okay.
whatever you to the write to the means write the coding, they will check it is a correct, it is a correct or not, sir. That is called as unit testing, sir.
Okay. Okay. That is nothing but is called as unit testing. Okay. So basically, can you share your screen? Like,
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir.
yes, yes, you can share it. Okay.
Okay.
So open Notepad. I guess in your tags, but then Notepad is okay.
Okay, sir.
Maximize that Notepad. You can maximize it. Okay. So basically, write down the some positive test cases and some negative test cases on Bluetooth wireless headphone. Have you understand the requirement?
Yeah, yeah, sure,
You
sir.
have to write the test cases for the Bluetooth headphone, right? For
Yeah,
positive
yeah.
and some negative. Take your time and please write the same. You can write five positive and five negative. That's not an issue.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, Renuka. So, in
This is all about.
okay, okay, okay. Uh, Okay, so Renuka, like as I have seen, you have written the test cases for the same, right? See, in that you can just simply write the all positive and the negative one, right? So see what you have written is like key. What you have written is like the see Bluetooth spelling you can see over there, right? Or what is this
Yeah,
connected
yeah,
or
see.
not? So basically, see there are in test cases, as per my logic, there is some what we can say some grammatical mistakes is there. You can by practicing it,
Yes,
you can improve it. That's not an issue for the same. Okay, and try to think as per the tester perspective. Okay, so in negative, what you have written to verify that the voice is increase or not. Okay, okay, see in negative testing what we usually used to write, you can write like way to verify that the when we click on the plus button of the Bluetooth headset, okay, then
yeah,
voice is increasing or not. Okay, to
yeah, yeah,
okay,
yes.
so okay, so to verify that the after clicking on what we can say after clicking on the power button, okay, so it should not take more than 10 seconds to boot up this particular Bluetooth headset, right? If
Yeah,
it take
yes, sir.
more than 2 or 5 minutes, then there is no use of using Bluetooth headphone, right? So
Yes,
like way you can use you can like think the negative scenarios and you can implement it and you can write it for the same. Okay, so this is
yeah,
an just
yes, sir.
suggestion from my end, but please try to do the practice as much as test cases you can. Okay, and try to think and the testers and analytical point of view, what we can say. Okay, so,
Yeah, sir.
secondly, can you just explain me your project? Can you explain me your project? What type of project you have worked in your previous company?
Sir, in company, I will handle internet project. I will perform in fund transfer and card payment, and also will handle the registration, sir.
Okay, but
Mainly, will work
explain
in
me
fund transfer, sir.
what
That
is
will
what is
pay.
your role? Basically, what is your role in your project? Can you explain me that?
They will functional. I will work in functional tester, sir. In that project, sir.
Okay, you have worked for the functional testing, like
Yeah, yeah,
right?
sir.
Okay, so what type of document you have done, or just explain me the brief whole functional flow.
Sir, actually, that type we will perform in fund transfer. That type I will verify the all the customer details. They will put in. They will identify the all the customer details. They will when we will registration the details. They will enter the right details, sir.
Okay, so in your resume, you have mentioned you have used Alum. So what is that? Alum report for the same Alum or ALM. Just
No, sir. They will
let me see.
when identify when defective log that time we will HPLM tool, sir. I will write
So
in
you
CV,
have
sir.
you have mentioned what is the test lab in ALM, like what you have used ALM in your project. You have mentioned like you have used what we can say execution of the test cases from the test lab in ALM.
Oh, ALM, no, sir. I will actually, I will not remember, sir. AML is not used, sir.
Okay,
Actually,
okay.
used HPLM tool, sir, in bug reporting, sir.
Okay, so you have used SQL. Okay, so
Yeah, sir.
can you so can you write a one query for me? Like so, let's suppose in database there are 1 to 100 records are there, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I have to see the record which has recently entered in my database. So which type of query you can run on your SQL?
Sir, can you explain again, sir? Actually, I will work in basic query, sir. insert,
Okay,
delete,
okay.
update, sir.
See. Wait.
Oh,
I'm I'm asking you basic query only. Okay.
oh,
Uh,
okay.
in your notepad, just type 1 to 10 numbers, one by one. 1 to 10 numbers. Enter. One, enter two, enter three. Like one, enter two, three, enter four, enter five, enter like this up to 10. Up to 10. Okay. Up enter 10. Now see, in your database there is currently 10 records are present, right?
Yeah.
Now you have entered 11th record. Now you have entered
Yes, sir.
11th record. Put
Yeah.
11 over there. Put 11th over there. Just 11.
Yeah.
Okay, 11. So now what I want, whenever you open the database, you will see the data like 1 to 10, right? I have to
Yeah.
see the fresh entry. So which type of query you can run? Have you understand my question?
Yeah, sir. Insert query will used, sir.
Insert. So just write the query what you know.
Okay.
Record has entered from the front end. You have to not enter the record from the back end.
Front end.
Have you understand my question, or
Yeah,
I,
sir.
I
I
can
will
explain?
understand.
Okay. So then write the query that you know. That's not an issue. Just write the query what you know.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Are you remembering or like?
Sir, also will add. Hello, sir. Hello, I will
Okay.
not
So
with a,
see.
it 100% sure, sir.
Okay. See, basically, you have written the query is like insert into the table name and the column name, right? So
Yes,
basically,
sir.
this is query which you have written. The query is that like you are entering the value from the DB level. What
Yes, sir.
is my
Yeah.
question is like, if there is already 10 records are present and 11th record you have put from the front end. Let's suppose you have one project. From
Yeah.
that
Yes.
project you have entered, you have like written ABCD, right? And you have
Yeah.
click on save button. After that, 11th id is been generated in the DB, right?
Yeah, sir.
In the
That
DB.
time we will
So you can
also use in index, sir.
so basically the query is simple.
Yeah.
Select star order ID by DSC. We can do the descending one. If
Oh.
we write the query in descending, now you have understand what I am asking. Like you can put
Yes.
just simply type the order ID by DSC. म्हणजे, what we can say that table name and order etc blah blah blah. But you can write the query is like select order ID by DSC means in descending. What you can say, right? So
Okay,
in
sir.
descending, if you write, then the record which is newly entered will come above the top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
That is same. Okay,
Yes.
so one last question. So can you tell me the different types of approaches in the integration testing? Like,
Yeah, sir. The integration testing will comes under in two types, sir. It is the bottom of
just tell me the approaches. Just tell me
in
approaches.
top down approaches and bottom down approaches, sir.
Okay, explain me.
In top down approaches, if we will get sub module is undertaking and main module is completed and sub module is under developing, that type we will top down approaches. And bottom down approaches, if sub module is its sub module is developing and main module is completed, that time we will bottom down approaches, sir.
Okay, so have you heard something about sandwich approach?
A sandwich approach is the combination of both, sir, bottom approaches and top-down approaches, sir. It is called as a sandwich.
Okay, so in which main only the middle module is developed. First module means starting module and end module is under development. So
Yes, sir.
so developer used to prepare one stuff file, what we can say, right?
Yeah.
And then it usually used to write the same for the same. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yes. Yes.
so that's it from my end. So so my personal feedback. You can unshare your screen now.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So basically, Renuka, my some personal suggestions too is like you can work on your communication skill. Okay,
Yes. Sir. Yeah.
and means your communication is good, but try to be more prescribed. Okay,
Yes.
so the thing which you want to explain, I know that you know the concept very well. Okay,
Yes. Sir.
so if you worked on your communication skill, what exact answer you want to explain to the other interviewer, so it will be the very up to the point, what we can say, right?
Okay.
And the
Okay.
interviewer can understand. Okay,
Yes. Sir.
and secondly, basically try to be on point. Okay,
Yeah.
if I am asking you the some question related on xyz concept, try to be stuck on that concept only, not go here and there, and then means like roaming here and there, and then you can tell for the same. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
secondly, what we can say, try to work on your what we can say, writing the test cases
Yeah.
basically. So
Yes.
try to work on the test case for the same.
Yeah.
uh, and secondly, try to be confident, try to
Yes.
be
Sir.
like uh, see always on in the camera, means your expressions and all, it should be in positive way only. Okay,
Yes.
so these are the things from my end.